How to install your Bell Giga Hub modem. So first you're gonna have to unpack the installation kit. So once you open up your box, you're gonna get your Giga Hub modem, your power adapter, and a green-ended fiber cable from the box. And that wire is gonna look something like this. What you're gonna do with this wire is first, you're gonna find the fiber connection point. So locate the bell fiber jack on your wall, usually near a outlet, an electrical outlet, and it's gonna look something like this. You're gonna have to remove the protective cap without touching the fiber connector's tip. So connect one end of the wire into this fiber jack, and for the other end, you're gonna have to connect it into your modem. So the back of your modem is gonna look something like this. So from here, you're gonna connect the other end into this area on above these other ports. So it's gonna look like this over here, the other end of the fiber cable, and you gotta make sure you keep the cable loose and avoid bending it sharply. From there, you're also gonna have to connect the power adapter, which is found in the bottom left port over here. You're gonna plug it in this area and connect the power adapter to the Giga Hub and plug it into a wall outlet. So you're gonna wait while the modem completes its startup and activation process. The front lights should eventually become solid and display the same color. As for this port over here, this will be for Ethernet cables. This bottom right is going to be a silver port, and it is used for wired Ethernet connection to devices that support very high speeds, like a computer or a network switch or even another router. Cables like these will be the ones that will fit into that port, which is an Ethernet cable. Then you're just gonna have to connect to your Wi-Fi. Use the default Wi-Fi name and password provided with the modem to connect your devices. If you take a look at the back of your modem, you should have the details there, including the Wi-Fi name and password. You can go ahead to your device's settings and just connect to that Wi-Fi. You can also go to your preferred browser if you're on your desktop, search for MyBell and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you're gonna have to register using your account or phone number, your postal code, and email address. You can also use a Bell Wi-Fi app to complete setup and manage your home network. You can do this in your mobile devices. But that's pretty much how you can install your Bell GigaHub modem. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.